At LPU, competition does not stifle you. In fact, you start enjoying it. Myself, Aditya Ray, a student of B.Tech CSE of batch 2023 at lovely professional university. Getting placed at Commvault at a package of 33 lakhs per annum has been life-changing opportunity for me. I always had a notion that engineering is all about sitting in the classroom and taking notes for yourself. But wow, at LPU, you attend classroom lectures, practical and laboratory workshops, research projects, internships, industry visits, and whatnot. We always look forward to visit university because we surely knew something different would happen. For me, I am truly indebted to my university for helping me in getting this package. At LPU, we are encouraged to celebrate our achievements at university, where the whole LPU family joins in to multiply the joy. The recognition we get for our achievement at LPU says a lot about it as an institute. Our senior management and faculty always pushes us to perform our best no matter what the opportunity. Here you find engineering students lifting trophies for dance and music competitions, and science students developing startups that goes a long way in helping society. At LPU, there is no limit to what you can achieve. I believe that my life would be as eventful as it has been at the university. During my academic journey at LPU, I learned various programming languages like C, C++, Python, Java, etc. I also developed a fair understanding of computer fundamentals and system design, which helped me crack my interview at Commvault. LPU has such a vast campus, be it in C++ or Java, as it is one of the most basic things expected from a computer science graduate by company. LPU has such a rich diversity. Here we can find students not only from India but from all over the world. I have made friends from across India, ranging from Kolkata, Punjab, Assam, from Nepal and Yemen as well.